Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have an organizational hack, sort of trash to treasure kind of thing, not trash but repurposing and organization of my paint supplies. I wanted to display my paints in a cool way, and I had recently gone through my kitchen and gotten rid of things. I have a Keurig, and I had this on my counter, and I just was trying to declutter the counter, so I was able to just keep my Keurigs in the box in the cupboard, and decided I didn't need this on my counter. So I thought I would show you how you can just change this into a beautiful display of your paints. This is like my go-to little bucket of paints that I use on projects. My husband and I do a lot of painting on different things, like for church and stuff like that. And so we have a big bucket out in the garage, like a big bin. Well, big, you can't see on the screen. One of the good size several gallon tubs of different kinds of paints. Regular craft paints like this, and spray paints, and bigger jars and things like that. But for my everyday crafting, this is what I have. And if I need a certain color for something, I'll go out and grab it. But even, I think some of these I can even get rid of. But this is what I've had them in so far. It's not very organized. I just kind of throw things in there. And I have some more space now that I'm working on my craft room. And so I have space on like tops of shelves and things like that. And so I wanted to make this into a paint holder and be able just to display them. And since it is silver, of course, I need to make it so it matches my craft room. And my craft room is going to be turquoise, purple, and then the furniture is white. So I have these two cans of turquoise that a friend gave to me. It's a couple different brands here, the Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Coverage and this Design Master. And they're both the satin finish, so I think I can use between the two. They have just a little bit in them, but I think I can get enough of it out of both of them to paint this. So I just need to clean it up. It's kind of dusty. I will go ahead and do that, and then we will come back when it is dry and put this all together. But I think this will be cool because I can put things of paint all the way around, all the way down, and then in here I can put paintbrushes. So it's a dual purpose, and I think it will be awesome. And then the rest of my, like I have these paint palettes, my watercolors, I have some bigger jars, this big jar of chalk paint, and then texture paste, and this is gilding wax. Things like that will go in one of these, and I will put it under wherever this goes on top. So we'll see. I will have a craft room organization video coming soon, kind of doing the before, in between, and after kind of video, so you can see that. It's a slow process. You probably know that if you have reorganized your craft supplies, but I pretty much have, I don't know, I think I've been crafting since at least 22 years, since my daughter, but even before then. I mean, I crafted in high school, and I know I probably don't have stuff from high school, but I know I have stuff that my mom gave me before I left home. So I'd say college and on, and I have some of my college art supplies from classes and things, because I had a lot of art classes. So yeah, I've got so much stuff. I've gotten rid of stuff, but it is a process. And I'm sure you guys know that if you've gone through this. So let's get started with this. And I'll go ahead and wash this first, and then we'll paint it, and then we'll be back and I'll go through my paints. Alright, so it dried super fast. I really love this paint. My friend Tara gave this to me. She's moving, so she didn't need it anymore, but it's the Design Master Color Tool Spray in turquoise, and it says it's quick drying satin finish. I'm not sure where she got it, but I'm going to try and find it for you and put a link for it down below. And yeah, I did 2 coats. I sprayed it really good the first time. It dried really fast. I left it out in the sun and then went back with another coat, and it's not tacky at all, completely dry. So yeah, so now I'm ready. I went through, as you saw before, and just went through all of my paints, got rid of paints that were dried up or really globby, and then I kind of put them together, sorted them out, and I'll just start putting these. I think I'll start with the top here, and I kind of always do my colors in like rainbow order, and then white, brown, black at the end. So I'm not sure, I don't know if I'll be able to fit all of these in here, but we'll see. So they just go in and rest on the one underneath. It works pretty good. I can't remember exactly how many little spots are on here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. I think there's 10 on each level, and there's 3 levels, so I think I can fit all my paint on here. Alright, so I've got them all on there. I think that's really cool. And then now I've got some of my paintbrushes, and it'll just go down in here. The longer ones, of course, are going to be better because it'll go all the way down to the top and it has something to rest on up here. But then the smaller ones, I'm just putting in and going down and putting them in between the pieces in there. I was thinking also you could put like a little spray paint, a little cup or something, like just a tiny little, I don't know what, but, and then glue it down in the bottom, and those would rest down in there. But there, can put all your brushes down inside there and all your paints will be together. And so cool. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, because I will be posting my craft room videos pretty soon. Well, it may only be one. I'll just kind of take you through my process and then you'll get to see. We'll see. Anyway, I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.